When you leave, apply these tools with you. Don't just go home and go back to what you were doing yesterday, or the day before, or the week before, or the month before. Go and apply these tools back when you're home. Don't just nod your head, yes, 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 right? Don't just nod it. Be like, yo, I'm gonna fucking do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. You know? This is what we're teaching you, so you can do this at home, right? Don't go back home, man. Just don't even apply these things. Use your 24 hours wisely, every single day. Use them. Wake up before the sun rises. Don't give up. You have the opportunity to use Forex to the next level, and I'm going to teach you that. I'm going to teach you that. For your business startups, partnerships with me, becoming an investor, getting into real estate, right? Get into Airbnb businesses, get into apartment complex units. This is where it all starts. This is where it all starts, man. So what does it really take? You know, do your first 10,000 hours before you reach a really good peak of success. Each successful people has done it, and so you will too. You will too. Like I told you guys yesterday, I was doing 18 hours, 20 hours in the room, in a freaking cube room, creating my success, going to Starbucks, going to Panera Bread, getting on calls, you know? I told you I couldn't afford the freaking meal, but I still was able to get on a call, and I would go to McDonald's and, you know, go a little bit lower quality, but, you know, it doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. I still remember those days. You know, people are going to think you're crazy, even your own family. It's okay. They're supposed to think like that. That's the reason why they're behind you. You know, you're going to have hardcore tears, sweats, failures. People are going to tell you, no, you can't do it. You can't. But it's okay. Be selfish to yourself, man.